there everyone, this is Kelly Gettelfinger with Always Stampin' Videos. Today I'm going to show you the basic format of making the toilet paper roll mini album. That's right, I am filming this during the COVID-19 chaos and well, toilet paper is an issue, so I am trying to lift some spirits and make a fun video for how to make this super cute little pocket mini album that is created with a toilet paper roll holder, an empty one obviously. So this is the only one I have because we have not emptied enough at our house to make an entire album. So I'm going to show you an alternate way also to make this cute little album. So this is one that I made a long time ago, and let me just flip through it really quick to show you. You can add little photos, you can journal. One gal said that she was going to use hers to store her Bible journaling cards. And so inside each pocket is a little journaling card that you can also add photos to, or journaling, whatever you like. So let's get started. I'll show you how to make it. All right, you're going to need these items plus a cutter or scoreboard. And I would actually recommend that you use something a little stronger than just a regular adhesive. So I will be using my ATG gun because that tape is a lot stronger than just my average double-sided tape. So you're going to need a hole punch that's pretty strong because you're going to be punching through the toilet paper roll, 2 pieces of the toilet paper roll holder, and also some decorative paper. You'll need some decorative paper, a couple pieces of cardstock, you'll need rings to bind your little album, and you'll need a score tool, whether it's a bone folder or some kind of a score tool. So let's set some of these aside, and I'm going to show you first what to do with your toilet paper roll holder. The first thing you're going to want to do is just flatten that toilet paper roll holder. So you're just going to smash it and then bring in your bone folder and really flatten it down. Really flatten it. All right. Now, if you don't have toilet paper roll holders, I like to use cardstock to create this little album. It's the same thing, but what's fun about these toilet paper roll holders is you can use them for other things. So save them for churches, Bible studies, daycares. Sometimes they like to make little puppets, you know, little finger puppets. They can make little refrigerator magnets for parents. So I used to save these and donate them to my local daycares. So it's just an idea. Since some of you have plenty of toilet paper, you'll be having plenty of these. So save them and give them to the daycares once they open back up after the virus has made its way through. All right, and so to create it without a toilet paper roll holder, I am going to have a piece of cardstock that measures 4 inches by 6 inches. So I've scored this one already, and then I'm going to score that 4-inch by 6-inch piece of cardstock at 2 3/4, okay, and then 5 1/2. All right. Now from there, you're going to fold on each of the score lines, and you're really going to flatten those down with your bone folder. Just really flatten them good. Both of those folds. All right, now is where you really need your super strength adhesive. So you're going to add adhesive on this small section here, and then fold that together. And so I've already done that, and I've glued mine together. Then you're going to need your decorative paper. I'm using a Stampin' Up's Designer Series paper, and you're going to add adhesive. Now this can be just regular adhesive. You're going to add it to all 4 sides of your decorative paper. All 4 sides. Just the edges. You can add some in the middle if you want, but that just takes more adhesive, and to save money, you don't really need to. Then you're gonna lay your toilet paper roll holder right in the center of your decorative paper. Fold that around, and there you have it. That is one pocket of your little mini album. So once you get however many of these you'd like to make, then you're just gonna put them all together and bring in your hole punch tool. I'm using the Crocodile here, and I just eyeball it, but you want it about a 1/4 inch in and a 1/4 inch down, and you're just gonna punch those holes all the way through those toilet paper roll holders wrapped in your decorative paper. All right, and now you're ready for your rings. So you're just gonna put the rings in each hole. And then you're ready for your pocket inserts. Your pocket inserts are gonna measure 2 and almost a half. So I like to call those 1/8 and 1/16, almost close to the 1/4 and the 1/2 inch. So this is 2 and almost a half, and this is 3 and a little more than a half. And then you're just gonna slip those in for your pockets. Decorate that up, and you have your very own toilet paper roll mini album. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're staying healthy and safe during this time. Prayers to everyone. Thanks for joining me.